Golang series. So today we'll be talking about how to get the original user back from JWT. So once you have logged in, you get the JWT, right? And that same JWT will be used by all other APIs just to validate that this particular user has been registered in our app or not, or just to check what who this particular user is. If you remember, we are storing the user ID in the JWT in the issuer property. Okay, so first I think we might refactor this API endpoint to use it as a middleware in the future, so that before we call any other APIs apart from the register and login supports, I need to get the list of all products for this particular user. Then the user will just send this JWT. I will get that particular user. I don't need any other details from the front end. I just need the JWT. From that JWT, I will get that particular user ID, and then I will search the products column or something and get that particular products for that particular user. So in routes.go, I have added another API route called user, and in authcontroller.go I have created this struct, so the claim struct. So this is what the JWT token structure is kind of like. Then I have created a function called user. I am first getting the authorization because I'm passing in the headers the bearer along with the token. So you would get the JWT from there. Then I'm splitting it because if you look, the authorization is something like bearer space token, so we need the token part, right? So we are getting auth token from that. If the auth token is empty, we are sending an error message. Then we are actually getting the token back from that auth token. So jwt dot parse with claim, this is the auth token, and this is what the syntax looks like. If you want more details, you can check out the documentation for that particular library. I have basically copy pasted this from the library, and secret is our secret to encode and decode the JWT token. Now I'm checking if there is no error, and if there is an error or if the token is invalid, then we are again sending back an error message. Okay, so you can check here that okay, we are sending the error message back, and if the error is not equal to, yeah, sorry, this is already done. Then we are what we are doing is that we are getting the claims, but we need to typecast it. The thing which you see in the bracket star claims is kind of like we are typecasting token dot claims to claims, so that we can use the issuer which contains the user ID. Then we are passing the database.db.where. This is kind of like a where clause in a SQL, and you just need to pass the ID, which is the user ID, and we are getting the first user, which is whatever is present in the table, and then returning back the user. Okay, so here you can see this is what kind of like what the API looks like. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.